In this video, we're going to do a full day of eating high protein, low calorie foods for about 1,600 calories and 180 grams of protein. We're going to do this in 3 meals and 1 snack. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ted. So let's hop right into it. This full day of eating breakfast is going to be different from the rest. So we're going to do a cheesy egg white and egg omelet for 476 calories and 47 grams of protein. So you can add, as you're about to see, you can add in some vegetables like tomatoes, onions, spinach to yours if you want to. I'm not going to, but that is an option. Alright guys, the ingredients are going to be 2 whole ostrich eggs, then 200 grams of egg whites, and this is one of the key ingredients right here, 50 grams of fat-free cheese. You can get the cheddar one if you want. I like the mozzarella one. This is amazing for anything, for trying to get more protein into any meal. We're gonna also be using this for lunch to make the protein pizzas with a different type of bread that I've never used before, but this is so key for getting high protein if you're a big cheese person. Also these, so you're gonna need 4 slices of American cheese slices that are either 35 calories per slice or 40 calories per slice. They're super easy to find in the grocery store. These are Velveeta, but obviously it could be any brand. And that's going to be breakfast for about 476 calories and 47 grams of protein. Alright guys, now it's time for lunch. We're going to be making protein pizza. No protein powder in this. It's just the cheese that we use for breakfast. We're going to be using that primarily. It's going to be super high protein. 65 grams of protein for 426 calories. The best part about this is you can make it lower calorie. Obviously that's going to come at a cost of lower protein as well. Or you can make it a little bit higher calorie and more protein as well. I love this recipe. I constantly use this in calorie deficit phases, especially just because it's a higher volume food, but I do sometimes enjoy it while maintaining or bulking as well. Absolutely amazing recipe. Alright, for this one you're going to need 3 ingredients. The first one is going to be some type of wrap. I like these Joseph wraps, but I've never used these ones before, like the flat sticky wraps that they have. They are 80 calories per wrap. I'm using 2 of them. But you could use any of the Joseph's brand stuff. They have these 2 pita flatbreads that work really well. Or I don't know if they're pitas actually, but they're flatbreads. Those 2 work very well. One's small and about 100 calories per flatbread. And the other one's like 120 calories per flatbread. Both of those work so well. I tried this out on Monday night. It's Wednesday and it works perfectly. So that's what I'm going to do today. We're using those. So any type of Joseph's wrap. This is the brand. Then next up, we're going to be using 75 grams on each of the flatbreads, so 150 grams total of fat-free cheese. And then third ingredient is going to be sauce. Now, I don't recommend buying this one. This one's not only more expensive, but it has more calories per serving as well. We're going to use a 4th cup on each of the pizzas, so half a cup total of sauce. If you have a Walmart near you, I recommend getting the Great Value pizza sauce. It's super low calorie, tastes great. This tastes a little bit better, but honestly, you can't taste the difference when you're eating it. Like, you really can't. And then you're gonna set the oven to 300 degrees, and then you're gonna take a tray, put the 2 flatbreads on it, put a 4th cup sauce on each of the flatbreads, then sprinkle on 75 grams of cheese onto each of them. And when you finish, it's gonna look like this, just like that. And then we're gonna throw this in the oven for 10 minutes. Another tip with the sauce actually is, you see how I left almost zero crust? Don't leave much crust, because then it's gonna burn and get super crusty, and it's gonna snap off and get, it's not gonna be good. But if you like your pizzas more crispy and like well done and a little bit harder of a crust, then you're gonna wanna put it in for maybe up to 15 minutes, but I'd start checking on it after 10 minutes. If you just like a normal pizza, 10 minutes at 300 to 315 degrees is perfect. Alright guys, 426 calories and 65 grams of protein for both of these. Sometimes I like to cut them up and eat it like actual pizza, but with these I'm just gonna fold it into like a taco kind of thing and then eat it like that. Super delicious. You could throw some jalapenos on top if you like spicy things, maybe some banana peppers, or really whatever you want on top of it. And again, you could use any of the Joseph's brand wraps. They work really well with this type of recipe. If you haven't already tried a protein pizza similar to this, definitely give it a try. Super delicious and obviously super high protein and low calorie. All right, so before dinner, I'm gonna have a snack. It's gonna be Jack's Link's beef jerky, about 30 grams of this stuff. I'm gonna have 30 grams of this beef jerky, and it comes out to this right here. Not that much at all, but needed to fill up the calories somehow. Was gonna have a banana or something, but that ended up going up to 1650, so I'm just gonna go with beef jerky because this is something that I regularly have as a snack. Never have like this little amount, but it fits for today, so that's what we're doing. All right, time for meal number 3. It's gonna be 647 calories and 66 grams of protein. So it's BRC, green beans, and rice. So I'm not gonna show you how to make the BRC, the chicken, because I already have one YouTube video specifically on only how to make this recipe. So I'm gonna leave it right here. There's gonna be a card in the top right of this video that you can click. It'll also be in the video description. Or you can also search on YouTube, just search on YouTube Ted Shreds BRC, and the exact video will pop up showing you how to make this meal. I want to try to keep these videos short as possible, so if I already have the recipe or directions and instructions made in a video, I'm just going to link that always so it could be as fast as possible for you guys. So the green beans, I'm going to microwave these in the microwave for 5 minutes, just flat on a plate. And then for the rice, I use a rice cooker, and I'm making 75 grams of dry rice and 250 grams of the green beans. This is a lot of food, as you're about to see here when I take it to the kitchen. It's gonna probably take me 2 sittings to eat. It's 5 p.m. right now, so I'll probably start eating it, get full, and then finish it later around 6 or 7 p.m. So that is gonna be the full day of eating. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value from this video. Maybe take out 1 or 2 of these recipes, not take them out, try them out, and let me know how it is in the comments, or DM me on Instagram letting me know how it is. Either way, hope you got value from it. If you did, please hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and hit the like button, and then comment what you would like to see or what calorie amount you want next. This calorie amount specifically was requested by Bianca Rojo. So thank you to Bianca Rojo for the request of 1600 calories. That's what started this video. So request what calorie amount you want next in the comments below. I still need 1300, 1400, 1500, 1800, and those are the main ones I'm looking for. So if any of those interest you, please comment below, and that will be the next video. First comment to get it in, the first commenter to comment one of those calories amounts. But I hope you guys had a beautiful day, enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon.